The CH09 error code on an LG air conditioner indicates an issue with the indoor unit's EEPROM in the PCB. This error can be caused by a failing EEPROM or a poor connection between the outdoor and indoor units. To fix the error, start by inspecting the control PCB, specifically the indoor unit PCB, and check for poor soldering on the ASMP and O components. If any problems are found, consider replacing the PCB. Alternatively, try resetting the EEPROM by switching off the air conditioner, waiting 30 seconds to allow the circuit to discharge, and then turning it back on. If the error persists, contacting the manufacturer's customer care for a replacement EEPROM may be necessary. Another solution is to perform an auto reset. Switch off the air conditioner. Locate the PCB. Press and hold the red button for 5 seconds. Release it when the 88 figure is displayed, and then turn the unit back on.